Don't download Smartsheet Enterprise Project Management app before watching this. Before you download the Smartsheet Enterprise Project Management app, you need to know the surprising truth about how it actually works. Most people assume Smartsheet is just a glorified spreadsheet, but that's completely wrong. It's actually one of the most structured project and operations platforms available, especially for enterprise teams. Smartsheet is built on a grid-style interface, which gives teams spreadsheet-level control with project management automation behind the scenes. If you love precise data, granular reporting, and multi-project visibility, this app can become your favorite tool. But you won't believe what happens next if you treat it like Excel. You'll get overwhelmed fast. One thing most users miss is that Smartsheet can automate entire workflows. Rivals, notifications, task routing, resource assignments, everything can be triggered by simple rules. Enterprise teams use it to manage campaigns, budgets, portfolios, and department-wide operations. Dashboarding is another major advantage. You can track project health, timelines, workloads, and key is in real time. Many companies use Smartsheet's dashboards to run weekly reporting without touching a single PowerPoint slide. But here's what most people get wrong. Smartsheet requires thoughtful planning. If you build sheets randomly, your system will collapse under its own complexity. There lies in designing standardized sheet templates, automated workflows, and consistent column structures. Smartsheet Enterprise adds advanced security, governance controls, and cross-departmental workflows. It's built for organizations running large portfolios of work, not just one-off tasks. So before you download, ask yourself, do I want a spreadsheet-style interface with project execution features? If you enjoy structured data and want precision, Smartsheet might be the perfect fit. But if your team struggles with spreadsheets, a more visual tool may be easier. If this helped to decide whether Smartsheet is right for you, make sure to like and subscribe for more smart tool reviews.